Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dano Crypto. So today we are going to show you guys what has been happening with these altcoin movements and with this Bitcoin price. You guys are waking up this morning to some bullish price movement. And I said last night on my live stream, if you were to catch the live stream last night, that we were going to get a move to the upside, and we were going to pass that 200-day moving average possibly. And it looks like we actually got very, very close. So if you're looking at the charts right now and you're looking at Bitstamp, go on the Bitstamp chart on the daily and look how we have made these higher lows on the Bitcoin chart. The RSI has a nice bullish divergence, and we are starting to trade back up into the range, which is in between $62,000 and that $64,000 range. Now, if we go into tight time frames here, where we have the 45-minute, you can see here that last night we actually started to gain some of that momentum, go into the 4-hour, and you can start to see how we are forming this market structure going back up into trend into the $62,000 ranges for Bitcoin. Now, what is this doing to the altcoins? Well, I showed you guys some of the altcoin trades that I was getting into and what I was interested in, and one of them was Metis. Now, if you got into the Metis trade around the same time that I did, you would be in massive profits, guys, because we actually saw that the Metis chart was looking like it was about to break out, and we were about to hit a moving average level, which is this 30-day moving average, and we actually are crushing right up to it as we speak. And we want to show you the picture that we took and posted in the Discord for a potential trade setup, and that was on Metis here, and we'll go down and show you really quick so you guys can see, and to make sure you guys are in the Discord, so then you know when you see these trade setups, you could potentially get into a similar trade as I do. And so it's looking really good right now. So in terms of the altcoins, the things that are moving the most right now in terms of altcoins, we got Near Protocol, we have AVAX moving up very well. We were talking about AVAX as well for a potential good altcoin hold for this bull run, because if you look, we're still sitting right above this accumulation range that has been happening with most altcoins right now. If you look at most altcoins right now on the daily or the weekly charts, they all kind of look very similar. They look like this, where you have a big consolidation down, accumulation range, and then now if they are a strong altcoin, they have already traded back up into, I think, what I call the second tier trading range of an altcoin, because this is bear market, and then you got the second tier range of trading when we start to get some heat in the bull market. And right here is where I think we're going to see some really interesting prices for the altcoins in November, because we do have the election coming up November 5th for the United States presidency. And that, I think, is going to do some interesting things with the charts, because if you look at what Marty Party posted on X, is this thesis of where he thinks the market is going to go. And it lines up very, very well with and paralleled with our thesis of the market running up to $100,000 before the election. Then during the election, it actually, but with on the news of whoever is going to be winning this election, we're going to pump off of that 90K range right here, about maybe 90K. We'll pump up to 100, then we'll go all the way down to 90K, and then pump from 90K going up into the next year. And this actually lines up perfect, guys, with the halving cycles of where you would want to start taking profits and where you want to start thinking about DCAing out of the market, and that is a year after the halving. So if you guys are watching this and you're also remembering that we have been telling you this, that Bitcoin is going to start running out on exchanges in 9 months after the halving. So we're already 4 months after the halving. So we're getting closer and closer to that time of where we're going to start to see that supply shock for Bitcoin. And so this is really, really bullish news, guys, and I hope you're excited. I hope you're getting an opportunity to get in these markets to trade. If you want to trade these altcoins and you want to trade the Bitcoin price and also the Ethereum, chart. We have all the bullish stuff coming up with Ethereum, with the ETF. Once Ethereum really truly breaks out, we're going to see things like Metis do a massive breakout and things like Pepe as well. This is why we are leveraged into this market, and we're waiting for that nice big move to the upside. And if you guys are wanting to trade this, make sure you are using the links in the description. Make sure you're using new partner of the channel, OURBIT, and you can get into some solid trades like these guys. So, all right, make sure you guys are tuning into the live streams. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update for today so that you can take this and you can get a little bit more bullish going into the next couple months, into the end of the year. And I want to remind you guys that we do a live stream Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will see you in just a few hours. All right, guys. Peace out.